Hello guys, it's Dan back with a video. Are you looking for a trusted broker for trading Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, or even crypto? A broker with lightning-fast execution, ultra-tight spreads, and full support for EAs and scalping? Then you are watching the right tutorial. In this video, I will show you why IC Markets is the broker we recommend, and if you decide to join, how to get free trading robots and added support and resources directly from our VIP club. What if you are already registered with them? No problem. You can simply ask IC Markets to transfer your existing profile under our affiliation. IC Markets Group operates several websites. Most popular of them are icmarkets.com and ictrading.com. These sites may represent different legal entities and jurisdictions. However, they share similar infrastructure and systems. We recommend you use icmarkets.com, or if that is not available in your region, ictrading.com as the alternative. Now let us see how you can register an account with them. This is very simple. I am showing this on icmarkets.com, but the process is the same on ictrading.com. Click on Start Trading. You will see the registration form. Enter your personal details such as country, name, email, and phone number. Use your real details because you will need to verify your identity later. Click Continue. Then select your account type, date of birth, and the document you will use for verification. Now tick the box that says I was selected by an introducing broker. Under Referrer ID, enter our IB code. If you are registering with IC Markets, use 60207. If you are registering with IC Trading, use 77709. Click Continue. On the next screen, select your trading platform, account type, and base currency. IC Markets supports MT4, MT5, and CTrader. You can also connect your TradingView account to CTrader later. For now, select MT4, which is the most popular trading platform in the world. You can easily find robots and indicators for MT4 online. For the account type, you have two options: standard and raw spread. Standard accounts have slightly higher spreads but no extra commission. Raw spread accounts have lower spreads but include a small commission per trade. Standard accounts are best for most users, while raw spread is better for high-speed scalping on short timeframes like 1-minute charts. We recommend the standard account. Then click Continue. On the next page, you can review the details you entered. If they are okay, you can click Continue. Then you can select a security question and answer. Finally, agree on the terms and conditions, and then click on the Submit button. Now go to your email and look for a message from IC Markets. Click on the link that says Secure Client Area. You will be asked to set a password. Create a password and click Continue, then log in using your email and password. Now, IC Markets will ask for more details about you. Simply provide the same and move forward. Regarding the trading experience details, make sure you say you have experience and you are able to assess the risk and you are aware of the risk of losing your capital. Otherwise, you may not be allowed to trade. You will then be asked to verify your identity. You can do it now or later. If you skip this, you can still open demo accounts, which are practice accounts using virtual money. If you click on Deposit from the left side menu, you will see all deposit options for your country, including cards, bank transfer, and crypto. Click on Accounts from the menu. This is where you create accounts. Since we have not yet verified identity, we can only create demo accounts. Click on MT4, then click Open New Demo Account. Select the account type, currency, leverage, and initial deposit. As advised before, choose a standard account. Select your currency and the highest leverage available. Set the initial deposit close to what you plan to trade with in real money later. This helps you practice under real conditions. Once done, create the account. Your login details will be emailed to you. Check your email for your account number and server. Refresh the account section, and you will see your account password under MT4. Now you have the account number, server, and password. Next, download the trading platform. Click Downloads in the left menu, select MT4 and your operating system, then click the download link. After downloading, install it like any other software. Open MT4, open the navigator window, right-click on Accounts, and select Login to Trade Account. Enter your account details. Now you can start demo trading. We have a separate video explaining how to use MT4 in detail, so make sure to watch that for more information. Now let's see how to link IC Markets account on TradingView. Go to TradingView and open any chart. Click Trading Panel at the bottom of the page. You will see a list of supported brokers, and IC Markets is one of them. Select IC Markets, click Connect, and complete the process. This requires a CTrader account since MetaTrader accounts cannot be connected directly. You can execute manual trades on IC Markets with TradingView, but you cannot use robots like on MetaTrader. Once your registration and deposit complete, you can join our VIP club to get your free software and support. Simply contact us on our website via online chat, FRZsoftware.com. We have many good robots and software tools designed to help increase your profitability. That's it, guys. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or contact us on our website. Do not forget to subscribe to stay updated on our future videos. Thanks for watching and